G'day, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. As you can probably tell, I am sitting in my ED Falcon, which means it's back on the road. So last video, if you guys haven't seen it, I'll put a link wherever it appears, up here, to the last update, which was, we were trying to make it to All Forward Day, which I think was a couple of months ago, end of July, end of June, somewhere around there. And we couldn't because I ended up taking the rear diff out the car and taking it to a diff shop just to get double checked that everything was all good with it, because it had a bit of end play on the axle bearing. So last update was, I think I got that back from the shop and I was getting ready to basically put everything back in the car. Well, that's happened over the course of just little bits of time here and there. So I've just had to chip away at it, you know, bit by bit. But what I can show you guys is the payoff. So let me show you what the car looks like now, and I'll walk you through what we've done, and we might even go for a little drive. All right, well, here it is. Looks a little bit different now. So as I said, the rear diff's obviously back in the car. Didn't end up doing any upgrades to it, but it's all got clean bill of health. We've got brand new lower rear trailing arms, brand new uppers as well, which I think are going to be really difficult to see. New rear brakes, new rear calipers, pads, everything in the back. What else did we do? Fronts were already done. So they were already done a few videos ago, but they're going great. I got no issues with those. So we got basically new pads all round, new wheel bearings, new brake rotors obviously. Fluid's been flushed. Yeah, she's braking really well, which is good. Obviously the other thing we've done, if I could be bothered taking my shoes off, it'd pass the shoe test with flying colours. So I have lowered it on King's SLs, super lows, with Ultima shortened shocks. So sitting a heck of a lot better than it did before. And yeah, it's just got the perfect, absolute perfect arch gap. Just sits so nice. And it's not too low either. It's definitely manageable. The other big change is I managed to pick up a 3-inch exhaust. So this is a custom system that I bought off Marketplace, so it's not a redback or anything like that. It's made by Rob Bliss up here in Brisbane, so reasonably well-known custom exhaust workshop. So it's a 3-inch mandrel bent, basically from the bottom of the header collector all the way back. So it does have a high flow cat in it. And it's got a single muffler in the middle, so yeah, sounds fantastic. Sounds really good. And obviously the 3-inch will suit any plans that we do down the track. Should it be boost or cams or whatever we end up doing, the 3-inch is perfect size for that. So why don't I set the camera down and I'll give you guys a little startup. All right, well, with all this hard work done to this car, what do you say we take it for a bit of a test drive? Let's do it. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. I know I certainly did. It's great to have this thing back on the road and just feeling really solid. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. There's plenty more content coming. Don't worry, I've been shopping at the auctions as well. I've got a couple more purchases to come to the channel. If you liked the video, you enjoyed it, you love the car, please give me a like down the bottom. It just lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content and just helps me know what to keep making for you. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Catches.